All right, guys, so we just did hip external rotation. So now we're gonna do hip internal rotation, okay? So to do that, you're gonna set up the same exact way. So you're in your 90-90 position. That front knee is coming straight out from your ASIS, so straight out from your hip. Leg is bent at 90, and then this back leg is coming straight out the side, and that knee is also bent at 90, okay? So with this one, we're gonna feel it on the back leg here. External rotation, we felt in the front. Internal rotation is going to be on the opposite side, okay? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to square off your chest or your torso with that back leg. So turning into that side, you can have your hands placed on the ground behind you if that's more comfortable, but you're going to feel this passive stretch on the inside of that hip, okay? So whatever is most comfortable, you can be here, or you can have your hands on the ground behind you. And we're gonna hold this passively for 2 minutes. Again, focusing on your breath, so diaphragmatic breathing. Nice inhale on 4, exhale on 8. With every exhale, you wanna make sure that you're relaxing your body and just imagine that your tissues are melting into that stretch, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and hold this. So inhale for 4. And exhale for 8. Inhale for 4. And exhale for 8. We're going to keep going with that breathing pattern for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll let you know when the time is up. So nice passive stretch, focusing on your breath, letting those tissues melt with every exhale. We have about 1 minute to go. We'll do one more inhale. So inhale for 4. And exhale for 8. Okay, so now we're going to do our PAILs and rails contraction. So you're going to stay in this position. We're going to imagine that there's a scale under this knee and this foot, and we're going to slowly put weight into that scale. So you're driving this knee and this foot down into the ground with about 20% effort. We're going to slowly ramp that up to 40%. So driving that leg down into the ground, we're going to go up to 60%. Now you're going to give me 80%. And now you're going to give me your max effort. So you're going to drive that leg into the ground with 100% effort, and we're going to hold here for 15 seconds. So everything you got, you might start shaking. That means you're doing it right. If you feel like you can hold this for longer than 15 seconds, then you're not giving enough effort. So driving that leg down as hard as you can, keep holding. Everything you got. 3, 2, 1, slowly let it go, relax. Now we're going to do our rails contraction. So you're going to try to lift that leg off the ground with 20% effort. Now you're gonna give me 40%, 60%. Your leg's probably not gonna come up very far, but you will feel everything contract, 80%. And now trying to lift that leg off the ground with as much effort as you can, 100% effort. We're gonna hold here for 15. So keep holding everything you got. 5, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release that, let it relax. Now here, according to your program, you can do more PAILs and rails contractions, or if you are only prescribed 1 rep, then we can hold this stretch for another 30 seconds. So saying you've done all of your PAILs and rails contraction, holding that final passive stretch, you're going to lean into that back leg just a little bit more so you get more of a stretch on the inside of that hip, and we're gonna hold here for 30 seconds, going back to our diaphragmatic breathing. Keep holding. With every exhale, you want to imagine all of those tissues are melting. We'll hold for 5, 3, 2, 1, and slowly relax. And then you can come out of it, and just make sure that you guys go ahead and do the